Hey guys, we're back with another hair video, which I'm excited to film, but also a bit nervous just because I feel like there's so much pressure for me to get this right, because you guys always ask me what I use in my hair, how I do my hair. I may have a few glitter still on me. I tried to get it all off, but you know how glitter is. Yeah, we're going to do the flat twist out. Now, I already washed my hair. I'll have a video kind of talking about what I use to wash my hair later on next week, but if you're watching this in the future, then you've already seen it. So I'm going to take down both of my front sections. And I like to do this hairstyle when my hair is kind of 50% dry. I do not like to do it while it's soaking wet because it frustrates me to no end when I wake up in the morning and my hair is still wet. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So because I don't like for my hair in the front to be obviously separated this way, I go straight from the center of my head. As you can see, my hair is parted kind of right here, just separating the front sections from the back. So I'm using that as a guide. So here's the center of my head. I'm going a little bit to the left of it, and that's where I'm going to part it. And then I go in with a comb, a Rattail comb, and part it to straighten it out. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're gonna mess up these parts anyway when we take down the twist. Each section is going to be an inch thick and it's going to extend to the center of your head. So now we're gonna add product, and I actually used this in a sponsored post on my Instagram page, but this video is not sponsored, and I really loved the Earth's Nectar's products, the way that they worked on my hair. So basically I take some of the Coconut Curls, the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this to my hair because less is more for this hairstyle. I just want to coat each section with a little bit of product, and then I'm also going to go in with the Honey Curls, which is the curling agent. And I found that I really like gel type of products, like something similar to Eco Styler gel, because it really holds the wave that I get with the twist out. And then I take the best brush in the world. This thing is amazing. I got it from Target and it's the Evolve brand, and yeah, it's everything. And so I just take that and I start at the ends and just detangle the section. So now that we have that, we're going to section off a little bit of the hair. So we're gonna get about this much. We're gonna split it into two, just like this. And then we're gonna do a twist. But we're gonna do a twist in the way that you would do a braid. So when you braid your hair, you pick up little pieces of hair in the same section as you go. Same exact thing with this twist. So I'm gonna get it started. So I'm just gonna twist this around twice and start to pick up hair as I go. So I just added some hair to this section, and now I'm going to twist it. Then I add a little bit of hair out of here, add it to this section, and twist it. And I'm gonna twist it kind of tight so that the curl pattern is visible. Then I'm going to add a bit more hair, twist that together. Add a bit more hair, twist that together. And just keep going all the way till you finish this section. And then you just finish it out. Then once I get here, I go back in with my comb just to flatten it, or my brush just to flatten it out. So when I get to the bottom and I have like an inch of the hair left, I go in with a perm rod, which I know previously I said that I don't really like using perm rods because they have the grooves on them and it breaks off my, well, I was thinking that it was breaking off my hair, but they give me the best curls, so yeah, I'm going to just add that and only roll it up just a little bit. And there we go. We have one flat twist, and then we just keep it going all over the head. I basically go one direction, so I just go and then we end up right back here. So you see I have a pink one here and a blue one here, and the reason why I have different colors is because they're different thickness. So the blue one is smaller and the pink one is bigger. So I don't know the exact dimensions of these, but I think the colors are pretty universal. So you can just go into your beauty supply store and get the pink and get the blue, or just get ones that look similar to the sizes of these. And then the last thing, I'm gonna take the scalp oil, and this thing is so convenient. Like, I think it's even more convenient than the little squeezy tube oils that you just stick in your scalp, because it's a spray. So I just spray it all in there, and it's for your scalp. So I like to do it after I've done all the twists because it's easy for it to get right in there. Just do a bit of a scalp massage to kind of work it in, and then I make sure I get the nape of my neck as well. It's 2:15 now, and I started at 12:45. So what? That's an hour and 30 minutes. Whoa, this hairstyle actually does take me a lot longer than like my regular twist out. So I'm gonna let this sit overnight and we'll see how it's looking in the morning. So it's the next morning and I'm gonna take down my hair now. Okay, so once I've taken down every twist, now it's time to zhuzh it. My favorite part, because this is when the hairstyle comes together. I just shake it. I don't think I'm gonna separate it too much this time, because the more you separate it, the less time that you have with the hairstyle, because you know, it gets frizzy faster. And then you can take a pick, but this is just like a 3 comb. I know you guys have seen this probably. It has a wide tooth side, a smaller tooth, and then a pick. So I'm just taking that to kind of fluff up a little bit more. I'm really hungry. Just all of a sudden, I'm like, whoa. I love this new hairstyle that I'm doing on myself. This is my second time doing it, and it is so cute. So that's the end of this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you share this video to your friends, your mom, your auntie, and make sure that you like this video and subscribe down below if you're not already subscribed. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.